It's summer. You want to go on vacation, you want to take a couple of days off, even just to do nothing. But what about your work? What about your clients? I actually got this question over on my Instagram while on my last mini vacation, and I wanted to answer it for you all so that if you too want to take some time off this summer, you know how to go about it. So if that's something you're interested, just keep on watching. Hey, if you're new here, my name is Sylvia and I do videos all about succeeding as a freelancer using Upwork and social media. So if that's something you're into, don't forget to hit subscribe. So first of all, I want to say there's no one size fits all for these things. There's no right or wrong, and what works for me may not work for you. So these are just some of my experiences during the last 9 years as a freelancer, but feel free to take the ones that fit you the best or even tweak them to fit your needs. So let's move on to the first one, that is take more mini breaks. Now, I get it, this one may seem like a little bit of a cop-out, but the idea here is that you take 2-day mini vacations or even 3-day, either on weekends or your days off. And that way you don't even need to let your clients know that you'll be away because it's just a weekend. The plus side for this one is that you can even do them more often, as often as you can or as you can afford. And you can even do little staycations around your hometown. That can be fun as well. Now, your second option is to batch work in advance. Now, this one is great if you want to go away for a little bit of a longer time and enjoy a little bit more time off. Batching your work will work for most cases unless you really need to be on call or on at certain times or certain days. In that case, you really need to let your clients know in advance so they can cover your shifts or anything like that. But for the most cases, you can batch your work beforehand and then go away with everything taken care of. I mean, that's the beauty of freelancing, right? Like you getting to do your work whenever and then enjoy the rest of your time however you feel like it. For example, I do social media management and I can essentially batch posts for 2 weeks at a time or even a month and then not have to worry about that client until the next time I need to create posts. So yeah, the idea here is just to prep ahead and then enjoy your time off to the max. Now, the next option may be a little bit controversial. Let me know what you feel about this one in the comments, but that is to take work along with you. Like I said, not everyone will agree on this. I don't expect you to all agree with it, but I've done it before and I personally actually like it. In fact, it's one of my favorite perks about freelancing. That's the location freedom. I think it's really fun actually to work from a new location just to spice things up. Sometimes I do that from the couch or outside. Others, I like to do that while traveling. And for this, all you need is a good laptop, a good Wi-Fi connection at your hotel or your Airbnb, or even a good co-working space in the area. I recommend you check reviews on the booking site though, because sometimes Wi-Fi connections aren't that good. Learn from experience. And actually, one of my favorite experiences as a freelancer so far has been one time that I went to Paris for a week and I actually got to do work for a client on my phone, sitting right in front of the Eiffel Tower. It was amazing. Now, before we move on to the rest of the video, I want to know what your dream vacation is. So please let me know down below. Now, one more thing that I want to talk to you guys about in this topic is how to let your clients know you'll be gone. Now, if you're taking my first option and you're just taking off for the weekend, I don't even think you need to let your clients know, to be honest. I mean, you should definitely have enough boundaries in place to be able to take off 2 days in a row without asking anyway. So if you don't have that, please get that done ASAP. Now, if you do decide to take a longer vacation, yay you! I would highly encourage you guys to set up an out of office reminder for your email as soon as you can so you don't forget. I'd also be sure to message all your clients directly, obviously not asking for permission, but just letting them know you will be out of contact for a couple of days. I know at least mine really appreciate when I do that. And lastly, be sure to check all your deadlines, double check them, and plan for your week ahead or the 2 weeks before your vacation in order to get all your work done in time so you can completely log off, completely forget about your work while you're out on vacation and enjoying your freedom. And I mean, really enjoy it. Please don't try to check email or check Slack or anything like that while you're out. Just make sure you enjoy your vacation to the max. Now, in the meantime, if you want more freelancing tips, I recommend you watch this video right here on how I organize my day as a freelancer. So I'll see you guys right there. Bye!